Hey, what's up, guys? It's Connor here with Zen Gear, and I hope you all are doing well. We have hit 80 subscribers recently. That's awesome. But today I wanted to go over video on Mint Mobile and how to use your phone outside of the United States, and it is extremely easy. So the only thing you're going to need to do is buy an international roaming credit, and then you're going to turn on your data. Now, make sure you know while you're in a hotel that you're using their Wi-Fi. But if you're out about and you're trying to use GPS to get to a local destination, definitely buy the international roaming credit, and you can make calls. You'll be good. I recently used this in Mexico, and I know 100% that it works. It was amazing for a service that is costing me $15 a month. To pay $10 more and be able to use it in another country. You really can't beat that today for any other cell phone service in the USA. Plus, Ashton Kutcher is so sexy and he owns part of Mint. So, how much better can it really get? It can't really get that much better. But I'm going to walk you through on my phone. Where to go to do this. So I'm opening, you're gonna need the Mint Mobile app, right? And I am opening it. You're gonna go to your dashboard, which is right here. I hope this shows up in focus. If it doesn't, you'll just have to listen to me and take my word for it. So from your dashboard, you're gonna go to my account. From account, so this account, it's the fourth one at the bottom, accounts, you'll see dashboard, my plan, support. So click the account and you're gonna scroll down to the payments. Under payment, you'll see that the first option is buy more data. The second option, it says buy INTL roaming credits. Now that is what's going to allow you to use your phone in another country, and it lets you buy in increments of $5, $10, or $20. Now, before I used this, I was assuming it would be spotty and I'd have trouble. I just threw $10 on there and was very pessimistic. After using this, I have complete faith in Mint Mobile, and I am again shocked. After paying so much money for years for cell phone carriers, I am like their biggest shill now because uh, and I'm not getting paid for any of this, but I definitely think if you guys are trying to save money, or you want to go on a trip, or you want to put more money in your pocket to go on a trip, definitely try out Mint Mobile. So that's my quick, easy tutorial, and here's the website. It's mintmobile/features/international roaming. This will walk through the same steps that I just went through with you. So, but for them, they say click up roam. That's not what shows up in my app. I just click from the settings. So maybe there's a different UI, user interface, in a different app, up roam credit, or maybe they're going to implement this in the future. But the cool thing here is you can search the rates by country. So let me type Mexico just to see. That's where I was. Oh, this is so awesome. So the voice rate per minute is 0.06 cents per minute, SMS 0.02, and data rate per MB is 0.06. So it's great for calls. It is going to eat up your data pretty fast, especially for videos. Don't use videos on a $10 international roaming credit. GPS, thankfully, doesn't use data as fast as something like watching cat reels on Instagram, which I have a penchant of doing. But yeah, I'm actually kind of curious here. What is a country? So 0.06, 0.02, and 06 for Mexico. Let's see, like Portugal. I'm guessing Europe is going to be far more expensive. Okay, so yes, at least in Portugal, that's true. So I guess it depends on where you're going. Is this going to be a good deal for you, or maybe you want to buy a local SIM there? Let's see, Ireland. Okay, so maybe this is the same throughout Europe. I will go to Spain. So it looks like it's the same. Maybe it has a deal with the European Union, but let's see, Canada. And then Canada is super cheap too. So yeah, just check out where you're going first and you'll be good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, a like, a share, or whatever. And thanks for watching. I'm so happy to have 80 subscribers. I feel kind of famous. Not really. I'm not crazy. All right, see you guys.